Hi all, my name is Miro Vrlik and welcome in my channel. I will show you today how you can do your own background at home for very little money or with a little work, but nothing special, nothing too hard. Anybody can do this. First, you can buy some piece of plywood in local hardwood store or Home Depot, or I don't know what is your clothes store. Bring some compound, some for patching, some spatula, can be even plastic one, and you can make the size at home or you can ask in store, they can cut for you. And this is really what you will do first day. Just put the compound on the plywood and let it dry up to next day. Second day you will need some paint. When everything is dry, you can start put the paint on the dry plywood with compound, and I use the paint what I find at home. It really depends on you what color you need, and you can use many different techniques. I use just simple one. I bring the color with brush and I do like two different coat with two different. I start with gray color, which one I use like base color, and the second one I use for make like little tone, I use the green color, but always it's possible to change everything, spray it or repaint and use different color if you want. You can use it really again, same, just use different technique with same piece of plate. How I say, you can use the paintbrush or you can use even spray, but it's much easier. But very important is you're supposed to use the matte finish or even flat, because this can help you in future and you will have no reflection and you don't have to remove this the glare in post-processing in Photoshop. This make your life a little bit easier. It was easier if you start work with 2 or 3 pieces, because when you're done with compound everything will be dry and you can make 3 different background with different color and or with using different technique. When is everything dry, you can spray with clear coat of polyurethane with matte finish, what can help protect your product from water drop. It really depends. If you want using for mostly for dry stuff, you don't have to do this, but I recommend it because it's definitely more practical. And after that you can just start and put some product on the top and you can find out if you like it or no. This is not commercial, and any product I use is just product what I found at home or in store, and it's really up to you. You can use absolutely different product, but definitely it's great if you use some plywood because it's much better and practical than paper. It's more heavy duty and it's easier to handle. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please let me know. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be happy when I see you here again. I will bring you always something new around the video or photography, and I hope so I help you grow up with me. Have a wonderful day and see you soon.